I've got these leftover Parmesan garlic chips that I didn't want to go to waste, so I asked ChatGPT for a scrambled egg recipe. The recipe is simple: eggs, chips, butter or oil, milk, and fresh herbs. I like to add a splash of milk to my eggs, but I don't think any other seasoning is needed because of the chips. I start with the 3 eggs. If your egg cracking skills suck like mine, then you might want to check for pieces of shell. Next, I add a splash of milk and give them a mix. Then I measure out about a half cup of chips and run them through my old-fashioned food processor until I've got coarse crumbs. The chips are probably expired, but we'll never know since my wife cut the top off the bag. Now over to the stovetop where I already have my pan heated to medium-low. I add a tablespoon of avocado oil, which appears to be more than I need. Then pour in the eggs, the chips, and let them cook. This is where I'd like to toss the eggs in the pan, but they'd probably end up all over the stovetop. I finish them off with some fresh grated cheddar cheese and give it a minute for the cheese to melt before plating. And there you have it, Parmesan Garlic Chip Scrambled Eggs.